Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, June 19th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. So, on the 1 hour time frame, zoomed out quite a ways, it still looks to me like a big possible ABC correction. We still do not have a break to the downside, and this is a lower high, so a break of this low definitely doesn't tell us that we're in any significant turn. This Fibonacci retracement you see is from the higher time frames. So, the fact that we broke the higher 50% level and this is a lower high, I would definitely expect this move down to very likely be another pullback within an uptrend. I think there's a very good likelihood that we will at least get to that 61%. And then if we do a double top at that 61% and a break of structure, then at that point, I definitely would get back on the sell side. But for now, I am very, very bullish, and I still think that we have a little upside potential left to go. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner and my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.